Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll show to you how to track AliExpress packages. So open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here, and now find order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now your screen should look something like that I have on my screen. This is screenshots of tracking information page where you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So for example, this screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but also you can say something like shipped, ready for delivery, arrived at sorting center, etc., depending on at which stage your package is currently is. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this icon and pasting it to universal tracker. For example, 17 track website. This is the tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use, but actually doesn't really matter which tracker you use because they all work according to similar principle. So if you paste it to that tracker, your tracking number to tracker, you can see it will show you more detailed information about your shipping updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.